So this is ABC. This is ABC Plumbing right now, right?
Like I say, this was last time, no more warranty. Before you're gonna fix the
Okay,
pipe,
he said no
you
more
don't have
warranty.
any warranty.
They didn't fix the job and no more warranty, you said, right? You did. I gave you $650. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is ABC Plumbing right here. This is ABC Plumbing. They didn't fix their problem. They sent this guy. He said he's not going to do nothing. And he said that was the warranty. And he just took off. This is ABC Plumbing. This is a joke, dude.